Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance on Xbox One. First, connect your Xbox One console to your television and power outlet. Make sure your console is connected to the internet for any necessary updates. Then, simply insert your Just Dance game disc into the console, or if you have the digital version, download it from the Xbox Store. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready to dance. Next, decide how you want to control the game. You can use your smartphone by downloading the free Just Dance controller app, which turns your phone into a motion tracker. Alternatively, if you have an Xbox One Connect sensor, you can connect it for full body tracking. Whichever method you choose, ensure your device is properly synced to your Xbox One console before starting your game. Both options offer a fun way to play. Once your game is ready and your controller is synced, launch Just Dance from your Xbox dashboard. You'll be presented with the main menu where you can select various game modes, like Classic, Kids, or World Dance Floor. After choosing your mode, browse the song list and pick your favorite track. The game will then display a dancer on screen. Simply mimic their moves to score points and have a great time. To maximize your score, focus on mimicking the on-screen coach's movements as precisely as possible. Pay close attention to the gold moves, which appear periodically. Hitting these perfectly will give you a substantial bonus. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to replay your favorite songs to improve. Also, remember to stay hydrated while dancing. Check the description below for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.